Yeah.
What's up, y'all? I'm Nikina.
I'm Will.
Y'all don't see Will, but Will is in the kitchen at the moment. I'm sorry, son. Say your name again.
I'm Will doing it.
You are?
I'm Jaquan.
Jaquan.
And I'm Kevin.
And Kevin. And Jalen is over here rocking. I don't know if y'all see him. Well, that's his feet right there. But anyway, so we're going to do the 3 marker challenge today. Okay, y'all? So we're going to start with Junior. Close your eyes. Okay, now grab a marker. We're going to grab 3 markers. Okay, that's 1. 2.
Yeah, this
Hold
is
on.
good.
Kevin, don't tell him. 3. Okay, open your eyes. So you got 2 of the same. Hey, y'all yelling? Y'all yelling? They sit here yelling, messing up y'all eardrums, but you got 2 of the same color. Do you want to put one of them back?
You want 1 piece or 2 pieces?
2 will. Okay, now put this here. Okay, now close your eyes again. I'm going to spin it around. Okay, like that. Now grab one. Okay, now open your eyes.
Alright.
Your turn, Kevin. We're going to grab 3. So close your eyes. Okay, now grab one. Okay, now grab another one. And one more. There you go. Now open your eyes. Okay, now Quan, close your eyes.
I have brown, pink, black.
Yes. Now Quan, close your eyes. You got to close your eyes, baby. Now grab. Okay, 1.
Which one is?
Just grab it. 2. Now grab you another one. 3.
Oh!
Okay, you got your 3 colors.
This is a good marker.
Jalen, you coloring too, baby?
Come on, get green.
Let me see. Kevin,
yellow.
slide over a little bit. Slide your paper over a little bit.
This is a good
Slide it over like towards that way on the table.
Oh.
Show him what I'm talking about, Junior. Okay, now Junior, you scoot over. Now Quan, you scoot over, baby. Here. Okay, now I'm going to scoot over. Jalen, you want to sit right here, baby? Okay. Jalen is right there. Let mommy give you your 3 colors. Okay. Here go your markers.
Jalen got blue.
Okay, now y'all can see me now. Okay. I'm just gonna grab my 3. I'm not even gonna close. You know what? I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna do it the right way.
Don't cheat.
Let me see. I'm gonna close my eyes. Let me see. Okay.
Blue.
Well, I got 2 different color blues.
Blue and blue.
Jalen got orange, blue, and purple.
What you want me to do with your plate?
You got the
Okay.
same brown I
So
have.
we're gonna start coloring, y'all. Okay. Go ahead and start coloring, y'all.
Okay.
What you want me to do with your plate?
Joey, Will, leave it on the table. Or the deep freezer, baby.
I was gonna say, I'll leave it on the table right there.
Okay.
You know what? Entice them real quick.
Okay. Everybody color.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, chicken and broccoli. Ah. And I baked the whole chicken. And I made some broccoli. That's cheese on that broccoli.
Y'all see Will showing y'all what we eating.
Yeah, I went and bought the whole chicken and baked that joint.
Okay. Let's see. I wonder who picture gonna look the best. Okay. You dropped your marker, Quan.
Well, I see y'all folks when y'all done.
Alrighty.
Hopefully y'all will come bothering me.
Excuse you, Will. Y'all see how Will do me to myself? He hope I don't come bother him. Something else.
Don't like that.
Oh, y'all coloring so beautiful. Look at that.
Look
Look
at
at your picture, Jalen.
Look at that.
Look at my scene.
I could have made it black.
There we go.
I'm about to leave right there.
Okay. It's looking so cool.
Nobody's gonna
Let me
trust
eat my food and leave y'all alone.
Will coming back to bother us, y'all.
Hey,
Is this blue?
You say what
Is
size?
this blue?
I think so. It came off a toy, I think.
No, it came off the piece of paper. It came
Oh,
off
okay.
a piece of
Alright, y'all, let's get these pictures done. Cause look, mommy is my picture gonna be nice. Y'all don't know.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alrighty, let's see.
This is not gonna be wonderful.
Y'all think mama picture gonna be the best? Who y'all think picture gonna be the best?
Hey, I want blue.
Too late. You gotta use the colors you got already.
I don't have brown, so my tree's got to be blue.
Just color whatever color you want to color it, baby. Okay. Let me see.
We're gonna color it the Iceland trees.
Use the colors you got, Quan. You gotta make the best out of it. And you can't use Jayla colors because I see you looking at it.
Fair, I'm still suck at colors. Yeah.
Come on. Come on, y'all. Stop getting distracted. Let's get these more colors. Quan, you can't. You got two different. You got three different colors, baby.
I need a different color. We should make.
Okay, y'all ready?
I ain't done.
Look at y'all. Y'all ain't even done.
I got a huge picture. Look at my picture.
Me too.
Look at my picture.
But I'm getting through quicker than y'all.
Yeah. Show off.
I ain't showing off. Y'all see how Judy talking about I'm showing off because I'm finishing quicker than him.
You literally have a small
Oh, Jayla, look at your picture, baby. Y'all stop laughing at his picture. It's beautiful.
Cute.
Don't do y'all little brother like that. It looks nice, baby.
Scramble.
Yeah,
That's right.
his picture looking better than y'all's because he get through.
Jalen
It's
drawing
beautiful.
fast.
Yeah.
That'll not look good.
Look, don't be talking about Jayla. Picture
Jalen
Quan.
be drawing
Okay.
like this. He's rubbing everything. I just flipped my paper over on
Okay.
accident.
Alright, come on, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna finish before y'all.
Yeah, but it don't matter when we finish.
Look, it's gonna matter when I
You're
finish.
not gonna
'Cause
finish.
Look, let me see.
We're distracting you today.
Okay, let me see. Quan, keep the same colors you already got.
Fast.
Get your green.
I'm not going fast as
Yeah, Quan trying to cheat.
I can't get no.
No, you gotta, baby, you gotta work with the colors you already have.
Don't get
I
your
have
colors
already
mixed up,
told you.
If you get your colors mixed up with Jalen, come on, that's
Quan always gotta be the difficult one. When we doing activities.
activity.
Yes.
Okay.
My picture gonna be the best one.
Whatever you say. Yours gonna be trash. Nope, my singing better.
Nope, mine better.
Yours gonna be trash. No, you listen to me. Yours gonna be trash.
My song was beautiful. What you talking about?
No, it's trash.
Jalen, you gonna sing, baby? La 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 la.
This Minecraft
Hold
song
on.
needs
Y'all
merch.
even let Jalen sing. Sing, baby. I hear you. Sing.
No, you gotta send the game Minecraft better than your singing.
Look, don't be doing me like that, okay?
Even Apex better.
Hey,
Hey, y'all.
Come on, get your face off my picture,
Y'all-
you little hater.
Y'all should get Apex on the Nintendo. Y'all should get Apex on Nintendo.
Okay.
It's fun. Look,
Let me see.
if y'all have Nintendo, y'all can't do it.
Look, I'm telling
Why
y'all, I'm
you
gonna be good before
looking
y'all.
at
Quan, you all over the place, baby. Look how beautiful your picture is.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
That's good.
Let me see yours, Kevin. How yours? Ooh.
Oh, what it? Got it. It looked like
Alright, y'all, let's get this done.
why did the alligator look like
Cause
poop?
we ain't gonna never finish. We keep on talking.
The alligator
Let me
look
see.
like poop. Because
Look at y'all over there being silly.
bro, I ain't even laugh at that. That ain't
Oh,
funny.
it's so beautiful, Jalen.
You know, he's trying to distract
You know, let me tell you a secret.
Mine just get a
I'm about to tell y'all a secret. Jalen can color better than your daddy. Okay?
I see.
And Jalen is 2.
Daddy?
Y'all don't tell Will I said that, okay? Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Yeah, but what if he watched this
Daddy
video?
don't even go.
Oh no.
Hey, mute that so he can't hear it. How about you mute you?
Alright, come on, y'all. Come on.
Oh,
Tell y'all I'm finished
yeah.
before y'all now.
Yeah. Talk
Nah, I
Bye,
ain't
bye.
just talking. I'm walking in, I'm talking at the same
Walk
time.
like a talking.
Walking.
Like a talking. Walk it.
Look, Julia, now you got me singing a song. Nope.
Please, no copyright. Just because my rapping is better than yours.
You didn't have to do me like that. You didn't have to do me like that.
Oh boy! I ain't got no green. I ain't got no green. I ain't got no green. Ain't got no green.
All right, y'all. Let's try to
Look at mine.
let me see.
This don't look good.
It do look good, Quan. I've never seen a green raccoon. That is creative.
I ain't got no green. Ain't got no green. It just looks like a diarrhea monster.
Me and Jalen gonna
Like
be
that
through before
grass,
y'all.
like that
I see it.
green. Jalen, that could have been
Me and James gonna be through before y'all. Quan, you can't use the other colors,
in that
baby.
green, in that
What you
green.
looking
But in that green.
Oh, I got your yellow. I didn't use
In that
yellow on
green,
here,
in
but
that
Kevin. We trying to talk and you just over talking us with your singing, okay?
Yeah, but you ain't walking while you
Look,
talking.
look. Okay, let's see.
I put level back.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna color this brown. Quan, color your picture, baby. Jalen is the only one that can use different colors because he's 2 and he don't know exactly what we doing. He just know we color. Quan, move out his way, baby. School. Oh, why is you all the way over here? Look.
I can't see it.
Look. Okay. Can you reach your picture, baby? Because Quan all in your way. Okay, y'all can see me. Okay, I'll make sure y'all can see me.
I watched you paper on my
Quan, color, baby.
No, I am not cheating.
Okay, let's see.
I'm cheating. I'm cheating.
Oh, that's cool, Jalen. It's cool.
How about you say yours not cool?
My picture cool. I don't know
No,
what
it's
you
trash.
talking about, Kevin. My
trash.
picture ain't
It's
trash.
trash.
My picture ain't trash. Thank you. It's beautiful.
That looked like a mess.
You said my picture look like a mess?
No, he said it looked like a gnat.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That made it look small.
Well, look.
Yes, it do.
Look at you, Jalen. It's nice.
It's cute drawing.
It's beautiful.
Mom's not
Yes.
this. I need blue for the sky, please.
You can't. You gotta use the colors you got. I have already explained this to y'all. Y'all gotta use the colors you already have.
Why? Why does it draw the sky? Why does this look like
Y'all see what I have to deal with? I explained the rules to them.
Why
And look at
does
this.
this look like a brain?
I don't know, baby. That looks like a hat.
How many colors do you have? It looked like
Yeah,
this is.
leave him alone. Let him
this-
color with
It
his
looked
colors.
like the alligator.
Okay, I'm only about to do a little bit more to my picture and I'm about to be through, y'all.
Good.
And then I'm gonna give y'all a little bit longer. So
Hallelujah. I got a little bit
Get
left.
through.
Whoa. I got a little bit. You have to let us finish though.
nope, cause y'all gonna be all day.
No, I won't.
Nope. Yes, y'all is. Y'all gonna be all day.
I was gonna make a.
Let me tell y'all about this. Okay, so you tell them to do something, and then they want to take their sweet time doing everything. You tell them to clean up, and 2 hours to pass by. You see one watching cartoons, one playing the game, and one just doing whatever.
Hey.
Look, I'm just being
No
honest.
snitching.
Life of a parent.
Life of a parent.
Yes.
Life of what?
Let's see.
Guess what Quan just whispered in my ear?
I don't want to know, baby.
Life of a parent.
I don't even want to know, cause Quan is just silly.
Silly Billy.
Quan, you almost through? Why you being goofy over there?
Sonic is. Oh, look at what Quan does. Go. Mom, do you even know what hedgehogs is, Mom?
Yes.
She not weird. I need brown. Do you even know what Sonic is?
Yes. I I grew up playing Sonic.
She
What
could,
you talking
she
about?
could barely remember the characters.
I was playing Sonic before you even was born, child.
Do you know what
Tell me all the
color he
characters.
is?
Tell me all the characters.
I ain't gotta tell you all the characters.
And I know Woods.
Sonic, Dr. Eggman, Amy,
Oh,
Shadow.
How y'all gonna challenge me?
Sonic.
How y'all gonna challenge me?
Past Sonic.
yeah.
You busting at me
Past
too?
Tails.
Y'all see how my boys do me? Look.
Tell me what Sonic needs to power up.
Look.
Tell me
What I'm about to tell you is
He
you
needs to
finish
turn
that
Super
picture
Sonic.
soon. The only reason I ain't answer your questions is because you trying to challenge my gangster. Okay?
You ain't it. Boy.
You trying to challenge my
Hey,
gangster.
Cena raps rhyme. Did you get it off camera?
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
It's me, the kitty bee.
Nope.
No,
Don't even say my rhyme like that, dog.
The kitty bee.
Nope. Nope.
Hey,
The kid.
The other night, y'all, me and the kids was like doing rhymes or whatever. And I was rhyming, you know, I had my little rap going. And they was being haters. They was being haters. Okay. Alright, I think my picture, well no, I'm gonna color this a little bit and then my picture about to be through. That's about to be it. That's about to be it for my picture. Come on, is you through? You can't use brown. You have to work with the colors you have.
mix the colors.
Mix the colors if you have to, babe. You can look, you can use black for your trees. You can use black.
I used to have this is
Oh, Jalen, look at your picture, baby. I like it.
That'll look cool.
It is beautiful. Your picture looking better than theirs. Yes, it is.
No, look at my picture.
Mine.
Okay, your picture is kind of cute, Jillian. I like it.
Yours look like a dumpster.
Look, don't be calling my picture no dumpster. Okay?
It is.
Look.
No.
You not gonna do me
You
like
don't say
that.
nothing
You
until
ain't gonna
you pay
do
me.
me like that. Pay you what?
His money.
I want you to give me.
You know what I'm gonna give you, Kevin? I'm gonna give you some Monopoly dollars from a game. It's gonna be free money. How about that? Would you like
Red hair.
Don't be talking about red hair. You through, Quan? Are you through, Quan?
I was driving a tree. Look what happened.
It's okay.
It looks like you see
I
bear.
know it's a tree though, baby. You did this, Jalen. Look at Jalen's picture. It's beautiful. Let me see.
What the?
They see it. I give his picture. He get upset. He get upset. You go, baby. Don't get upset. All right, y'all. I'm through. This is as much as I'm doing to my picture. Quan, are you?
So basically, it's white frogs with the spots.
Yes. Okay. Well, I'm about to. You know what? I could color this a little bit of blue. Let me see. Blue.
I gotta go get some water real quick.
Go ahead. Jalen, what you doing, baby? You picking up the markers? I love you.
I know it's
You love me? Jalen, you love me? Mwah.
Mama.
What? Uh-huh. Where you going? I thought you loved me.
My boy with the sneezy hair.
Okay, let's see.
What? Kevin just called me his boy with the sneezy hair. What is that?
All right, y'all. So this is all that I'm doing to my picture. Y'all see mine? That's all I'm gonna do to mine because I'm only working with 3 colors and I can't do much. So I got white frogs. This one got blue spots on it. This one got brown spots on it. I colored my water like blue, my clouds. You know, you see the rest
That
of the
looks like a
stuff.
piece of crap.
But that's mine. Okay, so oh yeah, and I showed Jalen's picture. I showed y'all Jalen's picture. Ain't it beautiful?
It is.
Okay. His picture is beautiful. Okay, Okay, now waiting for the other ones. The oldest ones, I'm waiting for you.
And I'm almost done.
Mm-hmm.
He's hating.
You say I'm hating. I ain't hating.
Max, my picture is bigger than yours.
Your picture ain't bigger than mine. My picture is bigger.
You ain't even make your sunset.
I did. Well, no, I didn't. I got blue cloud.
Yeah.
I got blue cloud.
Yeah.
I can actually mix red and yellow together.
Oh, yeah.
Red and yellow's a piece of crap.
Oh, God.
Like NASA doodoo.
Jayla, what you doing, baby? What are you doing?
I didn't
Get up. You need mommy to help you up? I hold your arm. There you
Oh,
go.
sure. Wait, that's kind of sus.
Will, is you about to come judge the pictures?
Oh, yeah, you
Probably watching this now.
don't call him. Just don't call him.
Hold on, I'm trying to hear what your daddy said. What you say, Will?
Dad, do ya?
Let me see.
Come judge the pictures, because they going to be all day. Everybody going to take their sweet time. Show
I
your
like that
daddy
one so
yours.
far.
Huh?
I like that one so far.
Wait a minute. Hold on. What about Jayla's picture? Look, he trying to show you his picture. Let me hold him. Look,
that's
so
good.
he'll
I like
fall.
that
Let me
picture.
hold him.
Jayla got a good picture.
Ain't it? Now look at my picture. Ain't it pretty?
Trash.
Hold on.
I like that one.
Will, I know you didn't call my picture trash. Did your dad just call my picture trash?
Yeah.
I can't believe him. Yeah. He said yeah and jumped off the couch.
Daddy said he liked mine.
Well, it's very obvious who won. It's very obvious.
Well, Daddy liked mine.
I'm gonna let y'all vote on who picture the best. Go ahead, baby. Take your time. Well, no, don't take your time because you'll be all day.
It
But
sounded like you said, don't take your time, 'cause you'll pee all day.
no, that's not what I said. I said you'll be all day.
It's all.
I like your picture, Quan. I've never seen no green raccoons. Like, that's cool.
You ain't even let me get the color. Poisonous at
I couldn't let you get the color you needed because you could only have 3 and you chose. Quan, what is you doing over there? What is you like this? What is you doing?
Daddy liked mine anyway.
So your daddy he liked yours, Junior, and he liked Kevin.
So mine's first.
Yours was first.
Third.
My
Kevin's
picture
third.
ain't trash, okay?
That means
We don't
mine's
know what he talking about. My picture ain't trash. Yeah! Mommy's baby! Yeah!
It's all. It's definitely all baby.
Baby!
It's not only yours.
Give me a hug. I love you too, baby.
Look,
Huh?
you got white ears, by the way.
Okay, you gotta show him your picture, baby. Show him your picture. Ah, there you go.
Let me go over here.
He better come show y'all his picture, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, it's cool. I like the colors. You made it work with the colors you had, you know?
We got white ears.
I see. Okay. Quan green raccoon. Now, Kevin, you almost through, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna wait for Kevin, y'all. He's almost
Probably
through.
put this on.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put these on the refrigerator because y'all colored them so pretty, okay? We're gonna put them on the refrigerator.
Oh, I have the wood.
Okay.
The wood.
Jayla's so excited. Show him Jayla's.
So look.
Jaden, why you laughing over mine?
And then he colored the back a little.
Trash?
Yes. And this.
Hey, you two. Kevin and Jalen. I don't know what y'all talking about over there. Jalen ain't even speaking English. He too. So I don't understand. Move out the way, Julian. I only understand what he's saying half the time. Alright, Kevin. Let's see your picture.
I'm not doing.
Well, come on in.
I'll wear them on.
Quan, leave that camera alone. Quan, move out the camera, boy.
Where's mine?
We waiting for Kevin Kevin, y'all.
What a Nicky
Yours is
sound
right
out?
here.
Alright, guys. You think mine the best, y'all? No.
I think yours.
Mine.
Boy, I think yours.
Alright, y'all say. Yeah.
We gonna let y'all vote on who y'all feel won, okay?
No!
Quan, don't be over there trying to get to the vote for you. Where my picture go? Oh, over here. Kevin, get my picture off from under your foot, baby. Oh, well, Jayla got it. Thank you. Okay, Quan. Kevin about to go show his picture, baby. Get out the way so Kevin can go over there. Okay, now show your
look
picture.
at this.
That's Kevin's, y'all.
That's what I got, Mama. Now tell her a piece of potato.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to show y'all. Jay, stop that yelling, baby. No. You can't be doing that yelling. You can't be doing that yelling. No. Okay. All right, Quan, hold on. We're going to do it in order. Now, Junior, you go first.
Get the back.
Yup. Move out the way, Quan. I'm going to let y'all vote. Quan, you keep getting in the way. That's Julia's. Okay, now move out the way, Julia.
Y'all see
Here,
that?
Quan.
That's beautiful.
Show yours again. That's Quan's.
Green raccoon.
Okay, now Quan, move out the way. Now this is mine. The most beautiful one ever, okay? They be hate. Now Kevin, show your picture.
Bam.
Now y'all vote on.
Why does this look like a dog?
Oh, okay. Alright, now move out the way, Quan. Now move out the way. Quan. Look, you in the way. Okay, so y'all vote in the comment section who picture y'all thought was best. And don't forget my Jada pictures now, okay? He worked very hard, even if it was scribbling. But we appreciate y'all for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.